everybody. So I did some Happy Meal for the first time today, and as you can see, it's packed full of fun stuff for my friend. So I thought we could walk through it together and I could show you my first snail mail package, I guess. I'm totally new at this, so I hope I did it right, and I hope that the recipient likes it, which she's my longtime friend, so I'm sure that she will. So I did use a wooden ring to hold everything in. So I really liked how that turned out, and I did paint around the edges, and it's just like an embroidery ring. And yeah, lots of ribbons and trims are mostly from Hobby Lobby, and then the lace underneath is vintage. I included a lot of ephemera, little envelopes with fun ephemera in it. I also made these paper clips out of the vintage lace. And then I made some pins from a lady. I saw her YouTube channel. I'll link it below. But yeah, I made those super easy. And in here are some tags, mostly made from the new Maggie Holmes Flourish collection. And I just cut apart a lot of things, put them in there. And then I did another paper clip here, some more paper clips, and then some fun cards that are dedicated to the state of Alabama, which is where my friend moved. And I did this fun little tassel. I made it. It was super easy. There's lots of tutorials out there if you don't know how to make it. And then I recycled this, or upcycled this glassine bag and put some fun stuff in there. And then a little wooden spool thing from Target with some ribbon. And oh, I loved making this. Oh my gosh, I had so much fun making this, you guys. I stumbled upon a channel called Little Hot Tamale, and she does some really amazing tutorials. So that's where I got that. I'll link it below. And I also did this. I learned how to do this from her channel as well. And this is a excuse me, it's a little book that is made out of envelopes. Yeah, so super simple. Again, I'll link her channel below. I wrapped it up with some twine, some just hemp twine I had in my stash. And I included some florals, some little tickets. Again, I just fussy cut them. And I included in the pockets some cards, some tags that I had on hand in my stash as well. And also some tuck spots. So I put a little tag in there, and of course some ephemera, and I upcycled that glassine bag as well. And then more tags and stickers. So yeah, I had so much fun making that one. I love it. And then I included a little pen, of course. Couldn't forget to do a pen. And I made this shaker pocket with my fuse tool and some cover sheets, plastic cover sheets. It's supposed to be a mason jar. And I used my We Are Memory Keepers punch board. Sorry if I'm not getting the terms right. But I had a lot of fun doing that. This is my first one, first and only. And so of course I put in some fun ephemera in there and closed it up with a little paper clip. And I also attached another little tassel. Doilies, those are fun, and another little shaker tag with fun sequins, and I just put over it some tulle, I think it's called, the mesh tulle stuff. Again, I'm sorry if there it is, that stuff. But I love it, and I want to make tons and tons more of those. So much fun. And more Alabama state cards. Those are great for her to use, and I'm going to put my little letter in that Heidi Swap envelope. And then there you can see the wooden spool with some flowers that also comes off if she wants to reuse it. And yeah, that's pretty much, I guess, the holder for all the goodies. And thanks for watching, you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. And as always, thanks for stopping by my channel. Please give my video a thumbs up. I always appreciate that. Bye.